So good evening viewers, this is Ali from Praj Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you all exclusive prints on tussar without border and with zari border also. These are all exclusive ones which I'm going to show. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so whenever you upload the videos you will get the notification. So let's start. So this is the side number 1. So I'll show you this is a marble kind of print. So it's a multicolor, so it's a half and half. How it will come, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and just see it's a rising, it's a half and half. So from pallu till shoulder like this it will come, and this is a half and half, and the half sari like this. So this is a half sari. Just see, this is the half like this. So this is the half and half, and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. The price of this sari is 5,200. The sari number 2. So this is a combination of sea green and the grey, and you can see the floral part. So sea green and deep grey and light grey. And on the body there is a effect of brush paint. So this is a brush painting, so that's why this effect comes. So brush painting, and see the pallu, it's a grey color. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. It's a sea green color border. So this is the all over look of the sari. I'll just show how it will look when you drape. And whatever I am showing today, those are all 5,200 range. So this is without zari border. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu, and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. Sari number 3, it's a peach base color, as you can see, peach pallu border and blouse, and it's a maroon block discharge print, and in between there is a white discharge also. So this is a maroon base color with the, and the inside color is a peach color. I'll just show how it will look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. It's a very pretty and very ethnic look, the color combination and all. So this is the all over look of the sari, the pallu. I'll just show how it will look. So COD facilities available only in central Kolkata, and for other states you have to drop the money to Phone Pay, Google Pay, or direct bank transfer. So after receiving the payment, then we dispatch the saris. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu, and the interesting part is the blouse. Blouse is fully printed. So this is the blouse of the sari, it's a full printed. 5,200. The yellow color sari, it's a yellow with the brown outline with the Rani discharge. So this is the all over, it's a Ajrak block print. So this is our hit design. So just we have changed the color combination. So this is the yellow, this is the pallu of the sari, and all over body like this. Just see the design and the color combination. It's very pretty. I'll just show how it will look. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon also, and do share the videos. If you like the sari, please press the like button. So this is the all over look of the sari, the pallu, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Now again it's a light, it's a very uncommon color comes. So this is the ash color, I will say, and all over body it's a not a bandhani actual, it's a bandhani print, and on pallu it's Ajrak block. As you can see, the combination of pink, yellow and white outline is also there, and throughout the body like this. So this is the pallu of the sari, this is the pallu, and all over body like this. How it will look, I'll just show. marvelous saree. These are very, very means colors and designs are so nice. It's a very uncommon color. It's a bandi print all over the body. Is a pallu, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. Now again the gun spray with the hand painting. As you can see, the effect of gray and magenta color and rani color is also there. So this is the corner to corner design with the hand painting. So how it will come, I'll just show. So pallu, there is a froza on the pallu border. So this is the all over look. Just see the color combination. It's a deep pink color, and on the down part it's a magenta, pink, gray. It's a brush, it's a gun spray, so that's why the effect has come like this. So in the hand painting, so this is the all over look of the saree. This is a pallu, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. Now the kalamkari print, it's a print, not hand painting. So this is a pallu, border and blouse is the black, and all over body see the color combination. It's a combination of yellow, red, gray with black outline. So this is the pallu of the saree, and all over body like this. It's a very pretty saree. This design, and it's very means evergreen design, and we have done this design in so many colors, but still we get it's a high demand. This saree is a high demand. So this is the all over look of the saree, and this is the pallu, and the blouse is black. 5,200 range. It's a gray base color with the rani pink and black outline with the white border. It's all discharge. This is all discharge print. So this is the pallu of the saree, and all over body like this. This is the look of the saree. This is the pallu. How it will look, I'll just show. So this is the all over look of the saree, and this is the pallu, and the blouse is fully printed. I'll just show you the blouse. The blouse is fully printed with the border is there. This is the blouse of the saree. Now again the yellow. So this is a patola design. It's all over body like this, and just see the color combination. It's a brown, froza and rani color throughout the saree like this. So this is the pallu of the saree, and all over this is a patola design. It's one of our hit design. So we have done this design in so many colors. Now in yellow. So this is the all over look of the saree. This is the pallu. I'll just show how it will look. So this is the all over look of the saree. Amazing, very pretty. So this is the all over look of the saree. It's a patola design, and there is the blouse. So this is the blouse of the saree. 5,200. Now the baby pink base color with the traditional border, and as well as the traditional paisley design. The color combination is so nice. The base color is the pink, and just see the paisley design with the black outline with the multicolor rani pink, gray and yellow. So this pallu border and all over body like this. So this border is very in. So this is the border of the pallu of the saree, and all over this is the all over look of the saree. And these are all pure tussar silk, silk mark certified. So So if you like the designs and want to change the color combination, so that can be done on order. So we are a manufacturer as well as we supply in bulk also. So this is the if any wholesalers or bulk buyers, they can contact on the WhatsApp number. It's 8296897264. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu, and the blouse is there with the border. This is the blouse of the sari. Now again the gun spray, as you can see the shades of yellow, orange, red. It's a merged, all colors have merged, so that's why the effect has come like this. And without sorry, it's a corner to corner design. I'll just show how it will look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the rising pallu. This is the rising pallu. These are all pure tussar and all are good quality. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu, and there is a blouse. This is a grey color blouse, 5200. The last sari of this episode, so it's a combination of frozen and royal blue. Just see the pallu, and this is the body color. As you can see the again the brush paint effect on the body with the temple border both sides. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. This is the all over look pallu. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari.